for the smoothie and juicing game is to make sure that you start slow. It sounds amazing in the beginning. Oh, I'm gonna replace all my meals with juices and smoothies, but nah, bruh. Slow your roll. It's okay to take your time and figure out what vegetables and fruits you actually like for juices and smoothies. It took me a while to realize I didn't want to replace all my meals. I started off with about 3 meals per week, then I moved up to about 7 now, all for breakfast. My next tip is simple. Just get excited. Do this with containers that are convenient and interesting for you. I noticed that when I had cups that I really liked, I drank out of them. I started off with my actual smoothie cup, and then I moved into mason jars, and now I am on to my self-blending bottle that was sent to me by Yay Organic. Y'all, when I tell you this bottle is a lifesaver, I am so thankful that they reached out to me to try this bottle out. But it has a straining top on it so that if you're having your juices and smoothies, you can make sure that they're well blended but also free of clumps. The thing that blew my mind is that the bottle is one that you can recharge, but also you can charge your phone with it. And I promise y'all, when I pulled it out the box, because I had already done my research on it, I plugged that thing right on up into my phone, and yes, it works. So if you're on the go and you need a charge, you can. Yay Organic specializes in vegan powders that are 100% organic and non-GMO. I've been using it for my morning juices and smoothies, and I'm loving the wheatgrass, which gives you a lot of vital nutrients along with a little bit of fresh lemon juice, and I go ahead and blend it on up. This bad boy is super powerful and can even cut through fresh fruit as well as any whey proteins or juice powders. It's convenient, it packs away easy, and it makes making smoothies and juices faultless. Yay is having a Kickstarter. They are raising money to improve the bags that their juices currently come in so that they're kept fresher longer for their customers. And they are also looking to increase the number of juice powders that they have because they make these all organically, which make it much more convenient for people like me who are on the go but want more healthy and organic juice options. And your pledge does not leave you empty-handed. Everybody who pledges gets something, and especially at the $55 level, you'll get one of the juices as well as the self-blending bottle. And I believe in this company so much, I've made my own pledge in order to bring you guys a contest. All you have to do is follow the instructions in the information section, and if you're my chosen winner, I will send you the bottle and the juice I've already pledged for. Please use my link down below in the information section and pledge to this Kickstarter. I really do believe in it, and that Kickstarter page does tell you everything you need to know about the company, what they do, what they have, and even what they're planning to do with anything that they raise from this campaign. Another tip I want to leave you guys with is to make sure that you clean your fruit and vegetables thoroughly. You do not want a smoothie full of bugs, grit, and dirt. Also, get yourself a good base. I like to use either cashew milk, almond milk, or coconut milk, or almond and coconut milk. I also use just plain old chilled water. Also, make sure you have a good whey protein if that's what you want to use. And I also use a colon cleanser. I've listed all of these down below in the information section. To boost your protein, I use things like fat-free cottage cheese, which is high in protein, or non-fat Greek yogurt. This smoothie is my strawberry banana smoothie, and it's for the beginners. It's for people who really don't want to taste the vegetables. So you have the milder vegetables like cucumbers and spinach. I want to make sure you guys know that you should prep your fruits and vegetables. The smaller you chop them in your prep, the better they're going to blend down. I always blend down my milk and also my vegetables first. When I get those smooth, it's easier to add the other items, it's less blending time, and it doesn't take me as long to get a smoother texture. And then I follow it with my protein powder and all of the fruits, and then I blend that down completely. This one supports better skin, hair, and nails with all the vitamins and nutrients included, and it supports weight loss with all of the fat burning ingredients. It tastes so good, and you wouldn't know that all of those vegetables are in there. This next one I call my summertime fine, and it's full of antioxidants and vitamins. It's a very sweet flavor, but also a tanginess from the pineapple and orange. It supports weight loss because of the beta carotene and fiber. I usually only mix this one down with water, mainly because I love the taste, but also because I love converting this one to a juice. And I'm going to show you all how to change a smoothie mixed down with water into a juice. All you have to do is take a strainer. It needs to be a finer strainer, and then you pour your smoothie in and you allow it to drain. It really does not take that much time. I love this method because I'm in control of what's in my juice instead of something packed with lots of chemicals. I don't have a plain juicer, so this works wonders. To make sure it's fully blended, I can put it in my blender bottle and go ahead and take it on the go. This one is called my sweetie pie, and guys, I know it has frozen peas and frozen blueberries in it, but but don't sleep on it. It is so delicious, and the peas in it actually help you weigh less because you're eating more fiber and protein, which naturally help you eat less. So you're gonna lose more weight. This next one is amazing because of the taste. I usually drink this one when I want a good dessert feel. I also like this because of all of the protein in it, and if you use almond milk, you're getting even more protein to boost the metabolism through a thermic effect of food, which means that your body actually uses more calories when digesting this one, and so it helps you to lose more weight. I know I said I had a favorite, but I have to take that back for the purple passion green smoothie. This one is full of antioxidants, and it has the strawberries and blueberries, which help with increasing vitamin C and increasing metabolism. They also act as an anti-inflammatory, so you can drink this one right after you work out to help with your muscle stiffness and soreness. They also help to open up your breathing passages, and they reduce the bloat in your gut, so you're gonna look and feel slimmer and trimmer. I have a few tips to leave you with. When choosing vegetables when you're a beginner, make sure you choose those that are a little bit milder in taste. Those are going to be spinach, carrots, and cucumbers. You can't really taste them at all, and they leave you with a really good, delicious blend down with a lot of different fruits. Also, when I want a creamier blend down, I throw in avocados. They're delicious, and they just give you this really good, creamy, almost ice creamy texture. Also, don't be afraid of stocking your freezer with organic frozen fruits and vegetables. They're only flash frozen after they're picked, so they're full of nutrition as well, and they also make for great chili iced smoothies. You also have the option of cutting and freezing your own. If you're anything like me, you get a little bit lazy, and if my containers are dirty, I'm not gonna make a smoothie, so I clean them right after I use them. Hold on, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's been a joy to make. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any video requests, questions, anything you want to add down below, make sure that you do comment, share, and also subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace.